Hello lovely people, welcome back to my channel. This is Mariam Edibles. Today we are making mango ice cream and I know you are going to love it. So without wasting much time, let's get into the video and make our yummy ice cream. These are the few ingredients that we are going to use for today's episode. I have mangoes here and it was frozen for 3 hours, and also my milk powder here. I'll be using a dry whole milk powder, and then condensed here of course, and I also have yellow food color and that is optional, okay? And also sugar is also optional because I have condensed milk and that makes sugar an optional for me, unless maybe you are someone who likes too much sugar in ice cream, you can add that, but I will not be adding that because mango is sweet and then the condensed too is sweet, so there's no need of adding sugar to it, okay? But do according to your taste. And then the queen of ice cream is also here, vanilla essence, okay? That is the queen of ice cream. So we are gonna take the edible part of the mango fruit, and hey, any part of mango fruit is edible, maybe except the seed, or I'm wrong. Okay, this is just by the way. Then I have taken the part that I wanted and I'm going to give this a quick blend. I don't have socket at where the camera is, so I'm gonna move this to a different place and I'll be back in a second. Yes, I am back just like I said, and I did add some amount of water to this because I realized that the blade wasn't moving, so I added a little bit of water to this, okay? And because of the excess fiber in mango fruits, especially this type of mangoes that I use, it has a lot of fiber in it. So no matter how you blend your mangoes, you still need to strain it, else you may not enjoy your ice cream, okay? This is just my way of making mango ice cream. Anytime that I blend my mangoes, I still strain it and you will see what I will get, okay, as a residue. And yes, this is what I was talking about, okay? You don't feel comfortable to see this in your ice cream, so I always advise you to strain it after blending your mango, okay? And look at that, isn't it beautiful? Yes, it is. So in a bowl I pour in my milk powder and then add my condensed milk to that. I'm gonna turn this into a paste form, and I'll be doing that with my hand whisk. Alright, so I will now go ahead and add my mango juice to this. If you want your ice cream to be very thick, okay, there's no need to add water to this, but in my case I'll be adding a little bit of water to that because there's quad around me. I need to add water to this to increase the quantity. Everybody wants to try my mango ice cream, so I have to add some amount of water. And then my yellow food color, just like I said earlier, this is optional, and in fact it doesn't even make any much difference here. But well, you will see, vanilla essence, the queen of ice cream. I'll be adding just 1 lid. We are making mango ice cream, not vanilla ice cream, so if you add too much flavor, you will not feel the mango in it. Okay, so just a little bit. And I'll now transfer my cream into this bowl. I am doing this because I'll be filling some cups, and that will be easy with this bowl. Okay, and voila, I fill my cups. And sorry guys, I did that off camera. And now this is how my cream looks like. Yes, I'm going to put this in my deep freezer, and it's already late, and I will see you in the next day. But then our ice cream will be ready. So bye. It's the next day and our ice cream is ready. Oh, look at that, so beautiful. And it's serving time. Are you ready? Because I am ready here. You can serve this anyhow you want it. You can scoop it in a bowl, enjoy with your spoon. But today, this is how I want to serve my ice cream. Just look at that, guy. Isn't that beautiful? So I told you that I fill some cups. This is one of the cups that I fill. There you go. Now let's give this a try. That really tastes good. You can feel the mango in it, and it's very creamy, and it looks nice, attractive. So it's not everything that you have to go out there to buy. This is very easy to make on your own and also at home. Snack is served. Thank you for watching this video. If you do enjoy this video, please subscribe and give your girl a thumbs up. Until I see you in my next video, stay blessed and much love.